To address the E1 error code on a Rheem water heater, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The E1 code indicates a problem with the temperature sensor on the hot water pipe, which can cause a rise in gas pressure. Several issues can contribute to this error code, including high gas pressure or water flow problems. To resolve this issue, it's crucial to check the gas pressure by hiring a technician to measure it and install the gas line properly. A manometer will be used to determine the required gas pressure for the heater. Installing a separate regulator on the gas supply can help regulate the gas pressure. It's also vital to ensure the correct diameter of the gas line is used, as using the wrong one can lead to gas flow-related issues. A 3 or 4-inch gas line is typically recommended. Additionally, cleaning the water filter can help resolve the issue. Checking the filter for blockages and referring to the product manual for cleaning instructions can be beneficial. By addressing these potential causes, the E1 error code on the Rheem water heater can be effectively fixed.